In this video, we're going to go over how Go Pepe brought memes to the blockchain, and then we're going to walk through their new Go Pepe Vault. Stay tuned if you want to win an NFT pack from Go Pepe, and let's dig in. First off, if you're not following Go Pepe on Twitter, I believe you should go do that and join their Telegram and Discord because they actually listen to what you have to say and follow your feedback. So here's a write-up we did on Go Pepe NFT memes on the blockchain in the Wax.school publication. Brace yourselves, NFTs are revolutionizing digital art and now internet memes, thanks to Go Pepe. So they're high-end collectible NFTs on Wax. Go Pepe trading cards are not only offer you high-end artwork quality, they also come with a variety of unique features to increase the user experience immeasurably. So it's the dankest collection on Wax, and they took an old internet meme idea and gave it new life with a crypto art transformation as humorous NFT collectibles on the Wax blockchain. So this is one of my favorite cards. If you have not watched this interview with Joe Rogan, you definitely should check out that interview. Elon Musk would be proud of this NFT collection. So go through and read these things. It's collector friendly. They base their series on what you can do on the secondary marketplaces with them. So they know you're not hodling these cards. And right after release on January 9th, they actually ranked number 2, top collectible. And of course, I just want to say that, you know, a blockchain is nothing without community. It was actually debated in a crypto finance panel about 2 years ago, and a lot of people had good ideas, but they missed the point. The point is that a blockchain has potential energy, but the community gives it kinetic energy. So without the community, a blockchain would just exist and not move forward. So you guys pat yourselves on the back for being a part of this community. You guys are the engine that keep it going. So celebrate these wins with our projects on Wax. This is what we're talking about today. The Vault looting. Pepe's Vault. So what NFT collection is going to give you WAXP to burn your card collection? This is the first, right? If there's other collections I've missed, leave it down below. But this is an article also on our Wax.community platform. It's a social network platform to share your ideas and not get lost in Telegram or on Discord. So definitely join that community and leave your ideas there. But let's go into his vault. So this is his vault. There's different tiers. This is from series 2 and 1 is below. And you can go do the math and check out what they started with. And always at the very bottom to the left-hand side are the secondary marketplaces where you can go display your collection or trade up or trade with someone else. And why this is going to be important is when you figure out how this burning mechanism works. Basically, you need to log in. And it's free to join. So just log in with your Wax Cloud wallet. And here's Pepe's Vault. So each tier gives you a certain amount of points. And those points will translate to this leaderboard down below. And so every 7 days, there's a vault looting. And if you're on the leaderboard, then you get a percentage of the loot. And that is actually WAXP. So here's the different tiers and the points system. They're color-coded. Thank you for us artists in the world that like colors on everything. Yeah, and this is going to make sense when I open my pack and you see what I can get. So we have these 2 packs in my inventory. I'm going to open one and give away another. You can buy more. You can buy a farmer's pack and a warlord pack. And then there's packs in a pack, which is the doggo pack. You can't actually buy it, but you could win it inside a pack. So that's another surprise. If you go home, you have all of your links to the marketplace, to card upgrades, and to start a pack party, which is super cool. So here you can learn more about the collection, what is Go Pepe, and all the metrics. And then here's Series 2, which is a play on Game of Thrones. And then you can buy 5 and get 1 free. Which one am I going to pick? That was really stressful. I'm giving one away, so I want to pick the right one, right? I mean, just a little bit inside of you that wants to win. Oh man, this is so much fun. So we're going to flip these over. But which one do I start with? I know I'm going to flip them all over. Okay, I just did it. Okay, let's see. Oh, cool. Yes. Okay. Oh, yes, yes. Yes. Come on. It's like a mini game, just flipping cards. Okay. Okay, what's the last one? Come on, come on. Okay, a meme. Got the meme king. That's pretty cool. The meme king. Look at what I did. I know just a few of those are worth, one of them's worth a lot of points. So I'm going to claim these cards. That's how easy it is, guys. So this is what I got, and this is what I want to give away. So you want this? Read the description down below if you want this. But help me decide what I'm going to do with these. What would you do with these? I'm new at collecting and trading, and I'm hesitant on things. The type of person to have something in my Amazon cart for 7 days before I buy it. But every 7 days, they actually do this Pepe's Vault. And here's your card upgrades. So look, if you have duplicates, do not worry. Go Pepe understands and cares. And if you know there's other cards where you could buy 5 of the same for like a few cents, you can actually upgrade the value of your card. Like, this is genius burning mechanism. No longer are you stuck with duplicates you don't want and that don't sell in the marketplace. And of course, if you want to do a pack party, there's always pack parties going on, which is a really fun way to bring the community together. You can buy more packs right here. Farmer's pack, Warlord pack. It's really fun to do, guys. I think it's worth it now that they have the new burning mechanism, because you're not just stuck with cards. So here's the point system that you get when you click on the contribute button for the leaderboard. And here's the points. Look at that, 156. I'm going to hodl it. I'm going to hodl it, guys. Unless you give me a really, really good reason to not. I want to hear your strategies. What would you do with this collection? Would you go and source 3 more so then I could upgrade my card and then contribute the upgraded card to get on the leaderboard? Would you wait till this is like kind of died down where people aren't doing it as much so you could be number 1 on the leaderboard? Would you have all your selections set up and ready to contribute for when you feel like the timing is right to get number 1 on the leaderboard? I want to know what your strategies are. This is new to me. You can always find your secondary marketplaces right here, and you can go trade up and sell. And yes, I want to give away. Yes, sign me in, please. If you cannot tell, I love giving stuff. I love giving stuff and I love winning stuff. Yes, I want to enter to win. Okay. What do you think? You think I'm going to win that giveaway? Has anyone watching this video right now won that giveaway? Let me know. So my internet's kind of slow, so these are not loading as fast. But yeah, you can go here and to the Go Pepe market, and there's other marketplaces on the top, and make your strategy sales and trades. But let me know, what would you do with this collection? What would you do with these cards that I pulled? I'm gonna keep this, guys. I'm gonna hodl it. I don't know. But I also don't know anything about this stuff. If you want to win this pack, this farmer's pack, follow the directions down below in the description, and we're gonna give it out on Christmas. And yeah, so this is about the Dinkus collectibles on Wax. If you haven't checked out Go Pepe, I suggest you do. Check out our write-up on Go Pepe to learn more about the project. As always, wax on.